Okay, yo, I am having a little fun with these futures. So let's see. First trade I actually took last night at like 1 a.m. and I didn't really record it. I just took it because I just saw like a short opportunity, and the only thing, because I have $1,000 account, the only thing I can really trade is one contract of the micro Russell, because once it's after hours, all these contracts, their maintenance requirements require like a lot more cash in your account. So intraday during the trading hours, micro Russell is $50 a margin to trade it. So I can buy every contract I buy takes up $50. But when it's after hours, each contract costs $600, whereas the ES contracts or the micro Nasdaq and the S&P 500 contracts, they cost like 1,200 to 1,000 or 1,500 a contract. So I decided to just do a small one micro contract of the micro Russell, and it's you can't really see it. You gotta look at it from the chart because it's not recorded. So let's see. It was like at 3 in the morning. See if it still shows my right here. Oh yeah, this is like May 29th on a Sunday. Yeah, I decided to trade this Sunday, and just for funds, just to mess around with the margins outside hours, and I took a short. I took a short right here actually, and then I got stopped out twice. I took like two shorts and I got stopped out because I think this is where the market closed, and then it dropped on Sunday. So it closed on Friday, Sunday. It gapped down, so I was like, maybe it might continue. So I took a short, and then it did like a quick spike up, and I was like, oh wait, is that just it messing around because there's not much liquidity? So I decided to do it again. I got wicked out again. I was like down like $16 or something. I think I took a short again. It was kind of like my high was like up here. I can't remember, but then I ended up winning. Ended up to where I was only down like $12, and I was like, fuck it, I'm done. So next day, market was closed because of Memorial Day, and then it's been having. I saw like it's going through a heavy sell, some sell pressure going on. So then I see this pattern, which just reminds me of a bear flag or whatever. So I was like, okay, here's what since it's already high up right here. I said, if I'll take a short here, my stop will be right there. If it breaks, because it still has a wall of resistance right there. All right, because I put it there, I could see it going up there and touching it. All right, and then I just went to sleep. I put my profit target. It was my 5-to-1. I'm ready to practice my 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is I risk this much. This would be, say, $10 to make $50, something like that. Because each tick is like $1, and there's like, so you don't lose that much, but or you don't make that much either unless your rewards are nice. So I didn't, yeah, and it actually double tops in that area. But I went to sleep. I just put my order out, and then my kid woke me up. Okay, I woke up around here, and I saw that it bounced down here. I woke up around here, and I was like, oh snap! And my buy target was 1878, and I was like, is that a little too low? So then I saw it like rising up, and I was like looking at it, and it made me felt like this could be like where it could bounce off at, because there's like a key cluster area, and there's resistance. This is where it broke out. So I was like, I'll just sell it. I wanted to sell it. really, if I just held it all day long, because it never touches this. That's all you want to have. That was my holding on to the winner. Too bad I can hold even more. That would have been nice. So that ended up giving me like no, $25 total profit. After I was down like 12 or 16 or $20. I can't remember. So that's the benefits of a 5-to-1 right there. You can lose like 3-4 times, but if you win 1 time out of 5, you're still in profit. Hard part is trying to recognize when to implement it. All right, what am I doing? All right, so I got this new thing going on now. I'm trading different instruments. This is the ES. This is the micro ES. This is what I've been trading. I make a little bit of money. I'm risking a lot more because with the micro ES, each point, every time it goes up 41.26 to 41.27, that's $5. But with the ES contract, if it goes up 41.26 to 41.27, that's $50. So it's literally 10 times the amount. You're gonna grow your amount 10 times faster, bro. So if I get the same hits like I would, technically you count my P&L and multiply it by 10, and that is my profit. I mean, but people just say that, but because the money, I mean, I have a small account, so I need to just chill and just stick to the MES. But I'm getting like itchy fingers to move on, even though I've proven no ability to even try to do that. All right, I'm in a trade and I can't figure out like what position I'm in. I think it's because I was on different charts. Because this thing, the problem with Ninja Trader is it doesn't switch over to where you bought at. You could just be moving around to different stuff and not even know where you're really at unless you go to the exact chart. Alright, so this is the, I started off with the micro NASDAQ. I just want to see how much I was getting per tick. So 5 ticks gives me $11. 5 ticks, so that's like about $2 a tick, roughly. How many ticks in it? I don't know. But the reason why I'm very interested in micro NASDAQ, because the micro NASDAQ has bigger ranges. I mean, this is the chart is basically following the same thing as the ES, except you go up hundreds of points. So I was like, maybe I can make more money. I don't know if I trade the same way. I don't know, but here I took a 1-to-1. I took a 1-to-1 because since the market's following this trend, I was like, maybe it'll bounce off and then maybe continue its downtrend. And I have a reverse right here. So if it was to come back down and hit my stop, it will reverse to a short, because I'm saying like, okay, if it reverses here, it's going to continue the downtrend. I'll just take the money from there.
Order canceled.
But it breaks through. It breaks through. This is the EMA. So it looks like it starts to work its way up. And then I think I look for like a dip buy. I'm doing this thing where I'm marking where I think I kind of want to get a dip buy at. Just to be sure not to rush, so I don't rush myself.
Yeah, I'm in Mullen rate. Good report. Nope. The firm or Mullen. Here's a firm, as I mentioned, down 1%, but firm.
I also had a breakout buy spot at 41.30. That is the key level. I remember I told my friend, shout outs to Amanalgo. I said my game plan for the next week, which is today. My game plan is to build into every pullback until 41.30 breaks under, and 41.30 broke under. So this is the resistance. If it breaks through again, you're going back into a bullish state. But it wasn't looking good. It actually broke through today. Oh yeah, that was a good buy actually. I just went to sleep. I took a nap and I woke up. I took a nap at like 12 and I woke up at 4. He should have got the the at the money strategy one. So that way they can kind of work for you. He's going for a short. Yeah, y'all should check his page out, okay? I'm an algo right here, baby. To see how he trades, you know what I'm saying? He's a work in progress. He's going to be dope.
Order
you know?
submitted.
He's gonna be dope, okay? Look at this guy. I mean, look at him.
Order.
Look at that. He's looking clean. Look at that frizzy hair. There's a lot of intelligence in that frizzy hair. Like, he's like, what the hell? Why is it breaking through? That was a bullish day, my friend. This is the day you go short. They say don't never short on the first big green day. I always have a hard time with that too. It's fine. Alright, let's get back to my trades. Alright, let's just watch. Because I can't remember exactly what happened. Dude, these trades happen so quick. Kind of forgot. I kind of just go with the flow, bro. Like, when I'm trading, it's almost like you're riding a wave with a surfboard. You're kind of just going into a flow. And you don't want to, like, order field. Okay, here's the problem. Okay.
We've been, I can show you over and over again, we've been short of firm. You can see it up here again, short again. That's $22 here on a firm.
Did I set my stop?
It's a big move up there from Friday.
Let's move this faster.
Like, it was just at $20 on the 25th, so now you're at 30. That's a 50%
speed faster
for anybody that has this name. So that's a good one, let alone if you bought this at $14.
Sometimes like futures trades slow as fuck. It's not like stocks where you get like crazy ass spikes and moves. I mean, futures can move, but it's a little bit slower paced, in my opinion.
We'll talk about that in a bit, and then of course Tesla. And I said this to Baxter on the way in. I was sort of trash talking Tesla a little bit in the leadership and what Elon Musk has been doing.
I have no idea where my stop is. Pretty sure it's right in this area. I just didn't put it. Oh, there he goes. It's a reverse one.
Last couple days, it's made its way all the way back to 800 now, 760. So there's work to be done here on Tesla.
You're giving some room to work.
$620 at the beginning
Your
of
word
last
is not worth
week,
it.
up to 780
Oh, I got hit.
market cap for not too much of a reason. Although Shanghai's back on board, and I saw Randy's back in the building.
That thing hit so fast, I didn't even have like time to react. I was like, what? So that made me like 20 bucks. Oh yeah, because I got 2 contracts. That wasn't bad. A breakout at 41.30. Oh, I'm buying it with the ES. Oh shit. This is the $50 one. I didn't realize that, I don't think, until I was like, oh, wait a minute. Whoa, I got $1. I saw I'll go $12, $25. I was like, wait a minute.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Look, I'm trying to sell it, but okay, look. So I'm like, oh fuck, I'm in the ES one. I don't want to risk that much. What if I'm wrong? You know, I'm just gonna lose all my gains. Because like, if I'm 1 point wrong, if my $69 gross is basically now 19. So, and which is I wasn't wrong, but the thing is, but on my super dom, I'm actually on the micro Nasdaq still. So I put a sell order. Look, I put a sell order because I thought I was buying it, but I'm like, why am I negative 250? But over here I'm 0.50. I'm like, what's going on, dude?
Order canceled.
So I'm just like, the whole time I was on the micro Nasdaq, dude, when I should have been on the ES.
If you look at what happened when we got there on Friday, like we did have that stall finally break away from it. That was the key level.
I was like, oh shit, what's going on?
That's what a lot of people would look at the even level, but where there was more transactions on the way downside from the level we'll talk about in a second.
So I went to my position board.
Your first level of theoretical support.
I was like, okay, what the fuck happened?
That's gonna be your bounce type of support. We are down first.
Now I have to like reorganize my super dom and everything. Now everything's already organized. Check this shit out. See, I got it now. Now I can click it between each one, making sure that I'm on the right one.
So pretty simplistic picture to start this holiday shortened week here in the future.
So yeah, and saving. Let's see, I think I got like 2 more trades, and then I'm gonna go take a nap, and I never came back.
Obviously AMC going to take most of the attention this morning, but theater is looking good today.
I did an ES trade because I'm starting to get greedy, but I was like, I decided to just take a small profit because I was like, you know what, this is too crazy. So I'll just see, I'm just uncertain, so I just went ahead and just put it like near, made a point I made $10. That would have been a huge winner. I'm just I'm just like, eh.
But do not lose sight of 17 bucks. That is a pretty big level on your daily chart.
15 is the breaking spot for AMC with them talking about taking some of that crypto spots to get back in. But I'm looking at a 1450 area to prove where I'm wrong. So I know I'm already dug in here. I have shares here, but I really think this is a name that could go again today. We've seen it go, so you got to give it that chance. I don't think it should be up really 20%.
I'm just scalping it for each time it runs up, I guess.
Like, I don't know, but it's a nice little move to the upside right there. Let's just see where it goes. They're just a theater, still not making any money.
MPP, if you get through that, maybe an 850.
Yeah.
Both of them are pretty decent.
Crashes down.
On the daily
It
chart.
just seemed weak, I could tell.
Approved, so we'll see how that goes. Huge, man. Those of you that are in it know that, so just continue to stay long.
I thought about going along right there,
Benefiting, I saw as well from this China headline.
but I didn't. I think this one was a loser.
Demand. So it's trying to get a lot tighter.
On AMC as it
Yeah, I lost.
Oh, nothing. Brady in both these
I stopped out and it shoots right up there. That's why I should have like a wider stop. So I missed, since I was like messing around on my other stuff, just walking around, I kind of missed this short opportunity. I would have put a short. If I would have put, I'm like to break. I like to do shorts that break the support area. Those are my favorite shorts. I just follow and scalp it. And I was pretty sad that I missed this whole fucking move right here, this 30-point move. And I'm trying to figure out where my entrance is here. I think I go long. Let's turn these guys down a little bit. I just scalped it. It's only because like I'm just locking in my profits since I'm already like over $100, and $100 is pretty good, and the market is kind of just trying to figure itself out really. What time is it? 10 o'clock.
Let's go Apple. This could be an all-day play here for AAPL. Let's not get too much out. Again, we just took a nice bid there at 148.50. So Apple to the upside. My next out is right before 149.
And coming back to the downside is Neo. Neo just, we got to that 1750 level. We got a 45 short. It's back to the quarter.
Rock and roll action to the upside. We'll see if the Nasdaq
turned into a short day pretty quickly. However, remember 4115? Only broke down.
It seemed weak, so I closed it. Sometimes like that, like if it feels weak, I just bring my order down. No, I don't risk my profits, and then if that happens a lot of times, I'll just stop trading. And I think I hit one more entrance, and I just a $6 winner somewhere. Was it right here in this area? And then as it's running up, I either bought it right there. Let's see executions. What time? 10:58 a.m. I entry at 10:56. Price 41.31.50. Okay, so I bought right there, and then I sold it for a 1-to-1, or something like that. Maybe $5. Yeah, it was actually like okay trading. I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be very interesting. I have no clue if this is gonna be a continued downward trend, or we're gonna be in this sideways chop cityness. And if it is, I'm gonna have to identify the low end of the range or the high end of the range and go short and long accordingly. All right, yo, let's get it.